Hey everyone, I'm Rick and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of TVs that just sit there like a black hole on your wall when they're off, deliver washed out colors, or don't fit your home style, then you're going to love this. Today, we're reviewing the Amazon Ember Artline TV. This smart TV doubles as a beautiful digital art frame with 4K UHD resolution, a glare-free matte screen for lifelike artwork, HDR support for vibrant viewing, built-in Alexa for voice control, all major streaming apps, Dolby Atmos sound, and a slim, flush mount design that looks like real art. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a TV that enhances your decor with stunning art when not watching and gives cinema-quality picture when you are, this is the one that'll make your living room look amazing. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Amazon Ember Artline TV. This TV is designed to blend in. It has a thin profile with customizable bezels in different finishes to match your decor. Available in sizes from 43 to 75 inches. And it's only about 1 inch deep, so it sits flush on the wall like a real picture frame. The display is 4K UHD with a matte anti-reflection panel that cuts glare, making art look authentic and video sharp even in bright rooms. It supports HDR10+ for better contrast and color depth, with quantum dot tech for wide color gamut and accurate, vivid images. Built-in speakers deliver 40 watts with Dolby Atmos for immersive spatial sound that fills the room without extra gear. Alexa is built in, so you can say, "Alexa, show me Monet," or "Alexa, play Netflix" for hands-free control. It runs Fire TV OS with easy access to Prime Video, Netflix, Disney+, Hulu, and thousands of apps, plus free channels and personalized suggestions. The art mode is incredible. Subscribe to the art store for thousands of curated pieces, upload your own photos via app or USB, and it auto-adjusts brightness and tone to match your room lighting for a natural look. Connectivity includes 4 HDMI 2.1 ports with eARC for soundbars, Bluetooth for wireless headphones, Wi-Fi 6 for fast streaming, and Ethernet for stability. Setup is simple. Mount with the included bracket, connect to Wi-Fi, log into Amazon, and calibrate art mode. Price starting around $800 for smaller sizes. It's built with quality materials and comes with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are stunning. Gorgeous matte 4K display that doubles as art, saving space and adding style to your room. Seamless Alexa and Fire TV integration for easy smart control. Excellent HDR color and contrast for vivid movies and shows. Solid Dolby Atmos audio that sounds immersive. Customizable art library with your own uploads, and a flush design that looks elegant when off. Users love how it blends into homes, the picture quality for streaming, and the unique art feature that makes it more than just a TV. On the con side, art mode requires a subscription for full premium access. It's wall mount focused, so stand use loses the art effect. No local dimming, which can affect deep blacks in dark scenes, and the price is higher than standard TVs without the art function. A few mentioned bezels add cost if customizing, but overall, the pros dominate for style-focused buyers. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Amazon Ember Artline TV if you want a TV that looks beautiful off and performs great on, and the pros like art mode, 4K picture, and smart features fit your space. It's perfect for modern homes, art lovers, or anyone upgrading their living room. Before we wrap, if these reviews brighten your home tech, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who loves home decor, or subscribe for more. See you next time.